Oh, that hit hard. Still intact. Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. Today I got a little monster truck in from Bezgar. They sent me this in, they wanted me to showcase it on my channel, so I accepted. Let's open it up. Here it is out of the box. They give you this nice instruction manual, exploded views and stuff, so keep that. They give you a screwdriver with a USB charger. They give you this nice LiPo storage charge bag. And include 2 batteries right there. Here's the radio. Seems okay, foam wheel. It's got the power and then 75%, I believe. No, 70% and 100% speed, so you could adjust the speed. Good for little kids. And here's the truck. Looks really nice. Tires are pretty grippy and got foams. I attached a wheelie bar. There's 4 screws, real simple. There's the chassis. Really rigid. Let's take the body off and take a look at it. Nice pull clips with the handles on them. There's the chassis. Looks like it got a 380 motor. Turnbuckles are beefy. It's got friction dampers. Heat sink on the motor. Nice Dean's plugs, the T-plugs, that's good. Looks really beefy. They got, I don't know if you guys could see, but over here on the A-arms they have the metal going across the front and rear. So it strengthens it. But anyhow, enough with this. We'll give it the flex test real quick. This is a real stiff chassis. Enough with this, let's go out and see what it could take when I bash it. I'm here at the Bezgar truck here. It's got a little switch on the radio, a function switch. And the lights, you press it, goes on and off. That's pretty neat, but we're not going to use them. Let's bash it. Oh. Oh. We're gonna bash it good. Oh. Told you I'm going all out. I'm not being easy on this beauty. Oh. Oh, didn't realize that was so steep. Oh, she's taking abuse. I think this thing needs oil shocks. Guess that's 2 much for this little beauty. See. Let's see, it's supposed to be waterproof. Well, let's see how that is. Right now. Oh, this is nasty. I'm gonna test if it's waterproof right here and now, guys. I can't go out in here. I'm literally sinking. Seems to be waterproof. So far, looking pretty good. Oh yeah, it's waterproof. Oh, I gotta get out of here now. I'm all muddy and the truck's all muddy. I could go in the grass and clean it up a little bit. Oh my God, look at my shoes. Nasty. Just handling everything so far good. Goes in the grass. You don't want to run these in this grass all the time. I'm just doing it to clean off that muck. Oh! far so good. There's a speed pass. Running. There's the runner. Oh, that hit hard. Still intact. Take the beating. Oh, Nelly. Oh. Tough little guy. Oh, I'm just smashing it into everything. Ah. Seems to work really good. Try some stunts. Whoa, thing's slippery. Messed up. Take two. Oh. Oh, lipo cut off. That's it, guys. Bezgar 4x4 little truck here. Man, it took a beating. Oh, you've seen it. Look at that. Let's check inside. I lost the clip. Look at that. She's waterproof for sure. She takes a hell of a licking and beating. Keeps on ticking. Let's see if the light still works. Yep, light still works. That's it, guys. Thanks for sending this in for me to showcase on my channel. Bezgar, I appreciate it. Anyone watching, if you want a strong little truck, it takes a big beating. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me a thumbs up for the video. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you next time. Shen RC out. Thanks, guys.